All right, Harbor Freight just dropped some new ITC deals for the month of April. It's going to be good until April 30th. I will be sure to put a link down below that goes directly to the ITC deal so you can check them all out. And if you're not yet an ITC member, that membership costs $30 a year, or you can go in the store and sign up for a 2-year plan for 45 bucks, which comes to like $1.88 a month. Better deal going with the 2-year plan. And I'm going to start off with no surprise of them bringing back deals on some G1 Icon ratchets. So I'm going to start off with the Flex Head 90 tooth half-inch drive. They have a deal on that, saving $15, so it's only 38 bucks. It was 53. And they have another 90 tooth one, half-inch drive, but the longer version of it with the comfort grip. And that's priced at $47. And that's saving 21 bucks. Next up is a deal on the 3/8 drive 90 tooth low profile with the comfort grip. That's priced at 30 bucks. That's saving 13. And the 90 tooth 3-inch drive flex head one with the regular handle, priced at 40 bucks, saving 8. And the 3/8 drive 90 tooth low profile, priced at 30 bucks, saving 10. You save 13 bucks on 90 tooth 3/8 drive low profile ratchet. So that's priced at 30 bucks. It was 43. And they have the 1/4-inch drive 90 tooth low profile ratchet with the regular handle, priced at only 27 bucks, saving 11. Out of stock on the next one, which is a 1/2-inch drive pro grip flex head ratchet, and the long one that's priced at $47. It's saving 21 bucks. And they have the Pittsburgh breaker bar 1/2-inch drive 25-inch one with the comfort grip. That's priced at only 17 bucks. It was 22, so saving $5 there. And you can save 5 bucks on the Pittsburgh 3/8 drive flex head ratchet with the comfort grip. That's priced at only 15 bucks. Cover some of the deals they have on an end cap here on the ITC deals. And starting off with the Viking 125 amp engine jump starter, has a 25 amp boost and 6/12 amp charge. It's good for 6 and 12 volt batteries, and it's only good for V6 gas engines up to the V6 3 liter or diesel 2.3 liter. That's been my gripe with Viking products, is that they're limited on what they can do. So be sure to pay attention. If you have a bigger engine, then don't go with the Viking here. This one is priced at 120 bucks, which is saving 20. And they even have a deal on the Hercules grease gun 20-volt one, tool only. That's priced at 100 bucks, saving 40. And they even brought on a deal on the Bauer 20mm long throw random orbit dual action polisher. It's a 6-inch one, 7.5 amp, and it ranges from 2,000 to 4,600 RPM. That's priced at 60 bucks, saving 20. And they also have a deal on the Bauer grease gun in addition to the Hercules one. And this one is going to be priced at 100 bucks, saving 30. Next up is a deal on the Bauer bench grinder 8-inch one with LED light. That's priced at 80, saving 10. And the Hallmaster 1.5 ton scissor jack, priced at 15 bucks, saving 8. And a deal on the Pittsburgh vacuum pump, the 3 CFM 2-stage one. That's priced at 110 bucks, saving 30. And they have the corded version of the trim router by Bauer, priced at only $40. That's saving 20. It's good savings on that. And the Bauer router table, that's 32 inches by 16 inches, and it's a 1-inch laminated MDF tabletop to it. That's priced at 120 bucks, saving 20. And a deal on the Pittsburgh 3-ton aluminum low profile jack, has a minimum height of 3 3/4 inches. So that's priced at 200 bucks, saving 50. And a deal on the Hercules 15 amp high output motor, 14-inch abrasive cutoff saw with 4.3 horsepower and 4,100 RPM. That's priced at 140 bucks, saving 50. So you see, with the savings on these two items alone would pay for a 2-year membership by itself. If you're enjoying this video so far, I would really appreciate you do give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more of these deal videos if you're not already, and help me reach the goal of 50,000 subscribers. And when the channel reaches that goal, I'm going to be giving away 5 Icon Meme 2.0 toolkits when the channel reaches that 50,000 subscriber mark. I really do appreciate that support. Let's go to the next deal. And they have the Pittsburgh Pro 3/8 drive of the 10-piece deep wall color coded socket set in the SAE and metric. Here are the sizes that's included in the SAE, and then the sizes of the metric. So your choice there. They're each going to be $9.98, saving $4.01. And they even brought on some ITC deals on some US General items. And I'm going to start off with the 72-inch work center hutch. So if you happen to recently pick up the 72-inch box during a parking lot sale, then maybe waiting for a deal on the work center hutch, now might be your time. It's going to be priced at only 600 bucks, saving 100. And it's going to be available in the 9 different colors as well. And the next US General deal is going to be on the 22-inch end locker. So you have 4 different shelves, and they are adjustable by the back bracket there. And it has a bottom pull-out drawer to it as well. So easy access to the items you store on the bottom. This would also be available in the 9 different colors as well. And this one's also saving $100, so it's only going to be $300 for that. It has a 720 max weight capacity to it. Now they don't have a display on the next item. It's going to be for the 56-inch toolbox, and what that is going to be on the 56-inch double bank top chest. This is what it looks like here, and it's also available in the 9 different colors. So if you've been waiting for a deal on it, now might be your chance to get it for only $500, saving 100. And you can save $50 on the 27-inch single bank roll cab. It has a nice deep top drawer to it. Very nice. And it's also available in the 9 different colors. And that's going to be priced at $350, saving the $50. So if you recently picked up some socket sets during the recent parking lot sale, they brought on a deal from the US General multi-rail socket tray in both the SAE and metric, and they hold up to 80 sockets each in the 1/4 inch, 3/8 and 1/2 inch drive sockets. It has grab handles on one on each end, and it's going to be priced at $13, saving $5. And they have a couple wrench organizer sets that they have also on a deal. This US General 2-piece wrench set, so it has a black and red, so SAE metric, and that's going to be only $10, saving $3. Then they have a 15 slot magnetic wrench rack, also on a sale for only $18, saving $7. And you can save $5 on the solid deck moving dolly with carpet. It's rated at 1,000-pound capacity. It has 2 3/4 inch swivel casters. And that's going to be priced at $25, saving $5. And you can save $13 on the Franklin 600-pound capacity hand truck. It's going to be priced at $55, saving that $13. And they brought on a generator deal on the Predator 8750 starting watts, 7,000 running watts. And it has a 15-hour runtime, and it operates at 75 decibels. It has an easy electric start. On this generator, you're going to be able to save $100 on that, making it $1,000. And the next deal is going to be on the Syntec digital auto ranging clamp meter. It's 400 amp rated. It's going to be priced at $18, saving $7. The next deal is going to be on a Bauer wet dry vac. It's a 9-gallon one, 4.5 peak horsepower. Comes with a 7-foot kink resistant locking hose and a washable cartridge filter. And you're going to be able to save $20 on that, making only $60. And you can save $2 on the Quinn Comfort Grip Scraper. Comes with a blade. Actually, it comes with 2 stainless steel blades and 1 plastic blade and 1 carbon steel blade. That's going to be priced at $7, saving $2. And they have a deal on the Fortress 6-gallon pancake air compressor. It's rated at 175 PSI and 0.95 horsepower. It has dual brass couplers on that, and it's going to be priced at $200, saving $40. And the next deal is going to be on the Earthquake XT 1/2 inch drive of the compact air impact wrench. Offers 1,000 foot-pounds of bolt breakaway torque. It has 2 forward speeds and an ultra rugged overmold to it. And you're going to be able to save $15 on that, making it $85. And they have the Earthquake 1-inch aluminum air impact wrench in red, and it's only priced at $280. You can save $60 on that, making it only $220. And you can save $30 on the Fortress 6-gallon ultra quiet air compressor. It's gonna be priced at $200, saving that $30. And you can save $20 on the Baxter 1/2 inch belt air sander. So it's a 1/2 inch by 18 inch belt. Goes up to 16,000 RPM. It has a 360-degree rotating belt, and it's a variable speed. That's going to be priced at $80, saving that $20. And the next good deal is going to be on the Avanti airbrush compressor combo kit. So it even includes a dual action airbrush for precision control. It's lightweight and compact, perfect for transportation. That's going to be priced at $85, saving $35. And they have a deal on the Banks Narrow Crown Stapler. It's an 18 gauge one. It has a 360-degree adjustable exhaust, bottom load magazine, and a narrow tool design on it. That's priced at only $28, saving $12. And you can save $20 on the 3-in-1 brad nailer, finish nailer, and crown stapler by Banks. That's going to be priced at $70, saving the $20. And they even have a deal on the Banks air framing nailer. It's a 21-degree one. That's priced at $80, saving 20. And you can save 30 on the Banks 15-degree roofing coil nailer. It has an easy load canister and a carbide nose tip. And that's gonna be priced at $100, saving that 30. And they have this Pierce air siding nailer. It's a 15-degree one. It features dry fire lockout and a tool-free depth adjustment. It's normally priced at $230, but you can save 30 on that, making it 200. Next up is the Central Machinery 1590 CFM 8-inch portable ventilator. It's made of durable construction, has 2 speed settings, and an ergonomic handle to it on the top. That's going to be priced at $75, saving 15. And if you're going to be needing to move some trees, they have this Badland 4-inch by 8-foot long, 30,000-pound breaking strength tree trunk protector strap. That's going to be priced at $20, saving 10. And how about saving $30 on the Badland 1,500-pound, 120-volt AC electric winch? It includes a 9-foot wired remote, and it operates at 10-foot per minute line speed, and that's going to be priced at $140, saving 30. And they have a deal on the RoadShock LED 6 LED spot/floodlight. It has 6 bulbs, and it's rated at 7,500 lumens. It includes a amber, black, and opaque covers. Offers high, low, amber backlight modes to it as well. That's going to be priced at $130, saving 20. And they have decent savings on this Gordon Emergency Survival Kit. It's a 12-piece kit. It includes all these different items to it, including even a little mini tactical flashlight. This is what the back part of the package looks like. It comes with a nice durable case to store everything in. And this is everything that it does include. It's going to be priced at $22.49, saving $5.50. And they brought on a deal on the Gordon 18-inch serrated machete. It has a sharp saw tooth back for sawing through thick brush and vines. It's made of a stainless steel blade. This is going to be priced at $5. It was $7. Another Gordon offering is going to be on the 3¼ inch blade. It does fold up. It has a string and wire cutter there on the end. And it says it folds easily. It's half serrated edge, anodized aluminum handle. They say this is a built-in seatbelt cutter. It's going to be priced at $13, saving 4. And they have even more Gordon deals. So to start off with, they have the Survival 8-inch knife. It's like the Rambo knife. This one is made of a stainless steel blade. That's going to be priced at $7, saving 2. And then they have the 11¼ inch machete, the serrated one. Has a nice ergonomic handle to it. And this machete is going to be priced at $13, saving 7. And if you're in need of a corded handheld blower, they have this one by Bauer. It's a 12 amp rated. Offers 805 CFM at 115 miles per hour. So it is a variable speed control with a jet fan design. Normally priced at $77, but you can save $22 on that, making it $55. And they have an awesome deal on the Thunderbolt Solar. It's a 10-watt solar trickle charger. It includes these different cords, so you can do different applications, including putting in a 12-volt DC port of a car or directly on the battery itself. It has a couple carabiners too, so you can hang it from it. And this solar panel normally retails at $45, but you're gonna be able to save $20 on that. So it's only $25. And they have a deal on the titanium stick welder. It's 120 or 240 volt rated. It has a LED indicator, easy access welding controls. It's normally priced at $300, but you can save $60 on that, making it $240. And the next deal is going to be on the Bauer 14-inch by 20-inch electronic variable speed lathe. It has a 6-amp motor and 1 horsepower. At 1 horsepower, you're going to be able to save $70 on this. So it's going to be priced at $530, and it's normally $600. Next up is a deal on the 12.5-inch Bauer portable thickness planer. It has a 15-amp motor, 2 knife cutter heads, and it operates at 18,800 cuts per minute, and you're gonna be able to save $50 on that, making it $300. And the next deal is gonna be on the Bauer 14-inch stationary woodworking bandsaw. It's an 8-inch one with a 1 horsepower motor. It goes from 1800 to 3600 SFPM. That's gonna be priced at $500, saving $100. Another Bauer option is gonna be on the 17-inch variable speed drill press. It has a laser alignment system in addition to the LED work light. Has an 8-amp motor rated at 1.2 horsepower. And this drill press retails normally at $500, but you can save $50 on that, making it $450. And they brought on a vise deal, a Doyle 5-inch multi-purpose vise. Currently it's upside down where it has the pipe jaws towards the top. It offers 8,000-pound clamping force and a 4-inch jaw opening, and it weighs 50 pounds. The deal price is going to be $150, saving $20. And they also have a deal on the Central Machinery 6-inch swivel vise with a 6-inch opening. It weighs 28 pounds. It's made of cast iron. It has a built-in anvil there towards the back. It's gonna be priced at 60 bucks, saving 20. And the next deal is gonna be on this Bauer detail corner sander. It has a nice hook and loop system on the underside there to easily attach the sandpaper. It looks like a decent corner sander. It has a 1.2 amp motor. This is going to be priced at 20 bucks, saving 8. And they have a good deal on the Warrior 4.5 inch flap discs that go from 60, 80, and 120 grit. That's priced at only $1.99, which is saving 3 bucks. And they have pretty good savings on the Bauer 4.5 inch circular saw. It's nice and compact. It has a max depth cut of 1.7 inches, so you could cut a 2x4 with it, and you're gonna be able to pick it up for only 45 bucks, which is saving $15 on it. It's a pretty good deal. And you can save $20 on the Bauer 12 amp 5/8 inch mud mixer. It has 2 handles on it. It has a 2-speed setting and a lock-on switch. It goes from 0 to 800 RPM, and it includes a soft start with it as well. It has a variable speed dial on the one handle. And this is going to be saving 20 bucks, so it's only 100. You can save $25 on this Warrior split point cobalt drill bit set. It's a 29-piece set. It includes all these different sizes to it that ranges from a 1/16 of an inch up to a 1/2 inch by 64th increments. Has a 135-degree tip on them. It's going to be priced at 50 bucks, saving that 25. And the next deal is going to be on this Daytona 350-pound rated creeper. It has heavy-duty metal frame on it, 6 smooth rolling casters on it, and an adjustable padded headrest. Offers easy clean vinyl, high density foam padding. This is going to be priced at 65 bucks, saving $15. And if you're in need of a new hose, they have this one by Niagara. It's a 50-foot one with the 5/8 hose diameter. This one you're going to be able to save 6 bucks on it, so it's going to be $29. And they have a deal on this Pittsburgh 34-piece precision screwdriver bit set. Comes in a nice plastic case to store all those bits and pieces in. It even includes a flexible shaft to it. These are all the bits that it does include of all the different sizes of the slotted Phillips, Posi, Torx, and Hex. That's going to be priced at 7 bucks, saving 4. And my store has in stock the brand new G2 ratchets that recently came out. And they have them on the end cap on the Icon ratchet section. And they have the G2 4 5/8 short ratchet for 33 bucks. The G2 stubby ratchet, which is what I did a review on, that's 30. They have the 6.5 inch standard ratchet and the regular handle or the comfort grip handle. Those are each priced at 40 bucks. And then here is the 5th brand new G2 ratchet. It's the 3/4 drive, 26 inch long ratchet. This is the regular handle style. It's not a comfort grip. And this one is priced at $120 for this. So I know earlier I mentioned the deal on the 3-ton Pittsburgh aluminum racing jack, but that one's priced at $200, saving 50. Well, they also have a deal on the 2.5-ton aluminum racing jack. It has a max height of 18 5/8 inch and 2 3 inch minimum height. This one you can also save 50 bucks on, so it's only $170, normally priced at $220. All right, that's going to be the top deals I'm going to go over on the ITC deals for the month of April. If you gain any value from it, I really appreciate it that you do give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Help the channel reach that 50,000 subscriber goal so we can give away those 5 Icon Meme 2.0 toolkits. And I really do appreciate that support. And thanks so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.